So bulldozers don't arrive where the incident happened. Some people still get trapped under the rubble, and the bulldozer they try to see how they will come out the rubble so that they will hopefully find people where they still be alive. So now about 4 hours ago, this unfortunate incident happened for Kano, where the northwest Nigeria, where a huge explosion destroyed one building and lead to loss of lives. And at the moment, some people stay in the hospital, they receive treatment. Because of how tight the road be, it take long time before the bulldozers create space to pass, so that if you reach where the main incident happened and where they're supposed to do the work. Before now people they use hand to remove rubble, and that time some people say them remove about 3 people under the destroyed building. So, Oga of National Emergency Management Agency want address press on top this matter.
Gas cylinder explosion next just to a school here in Southern Gari. And we're trying to quickly mobilize excavators to come and dig out. And some people have been taken to the hospital. We want to really get proper assessment of what we have on ground. As of now, we can't tell you exactly what exactly the situation, life lost, or how many are in the hospital. But the assessment is still ongoing. We're going to go to the general hospital here in Kano to also go and assess the situation there. So that people are on ground, the assessment is going on.
We're good. So what can you say about the fact that some people were saying that they're refuting the fact that it's not gas cylinder? They think it's actually something that is of a more impactful in nature.
I believe we should not try to bring in what is not actually the situation. Anybody who has here knows it's a gas cylinder. This is not a bomb. So let's not try and confuse people with stories that do not exist. This is a gas cylinder explosion.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So that's now Oga of National Emergency Management Agency for Kano here, and him say no fit give exact figures of the casualties at this time, but they try their best to see the people where they trapped under this rubble, them get them come out from inside. They also deny waiting some people they talk. We say this no be gas cylinder explosion. They say na bomb blast, but he say na no be true. He say na gas cylinder explosion happened for here this morning. People from Nigeria Red Cross don't be on ground for hours now, and as soon as they come out anybody where they injured or need serious and immediate medical attention, and they try their best to help that person. Sorry. So now how the work they go with that at this time? For now people been here, they use their hand. But now security don't pursue all the people, and now them they do the work themselves.